Hi, Avinash. Very good evening. Thanks for coming
Good evening,
online.
sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
And first of all, my hearty congratulations on your placement. How do you
Thank
feel?
you, sir. Thank you. Good, sir. Very good.
Good. Lot of struggle to get the job.
Yes,
You cracked it.
yes.
Avinash, could you give a little bit about your experience at Philite? What course you
Mm, I
joined?
joined Phil. I joined Philite 2 months before as a React front-end developer. Um, I'm from Patna, Bihar, and I've done the all the course from online point of view, online from online, and after that I got placed in Deloitte for 9.5 lakh of package as a React front-end developer.
Okay, guys, for your information, Deloitte not the only offer that is holding. He had got place for another two companies also. So based on the package, he has joined already, right, Avinash?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
yes, sir, Arjun.
So how is the work going? Happy?
Yes, sir. It's just started, so looking forward to
Okay.
gain some more knowledge from the company.
How was the training at Philite?
And every day we assigned a particular task, and after that completing of task it is not so the load is also not given to the students, but small task, and it's like a small task that we completed in 2 months, and it makes a big picture that we are going to crack the interviews. And
So Avinash, total how many interviews my team has scheduled for you?
total, I have given 20 interviews. There are calls are coming right now also, but I'm already telling them that I've already joined, so I'm not joined that. And right now I'm happy with my job. Right now I want to continue forward and learn more things from the company inside.
All right. So I wish you all the best for your career. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank
do
you,
you
sir.
want to pass any message to your upcoming juniors and all?
Just it's very struggling there outside uh, the IT field, but no one wants how to solve this problem, how to crack interviews and get the job. But Vinay sir teaches in this way how to crack in the interviews and finally get the job.
Fine. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much, Avinash,
And
for
just
coming and
one more
giving.
thing I want to say, that it's not that you are getting less package. It will be a sufficient amount that we'll get, and will be happy that I'll get that job after training. This much of package I've got get from the flight.
So, and again, for your information, we didn't tell him that you have to settle down for 9.5 lakhs package. We told him that we can schedule the interview, you want for better package. We could have pushed. But because Deloitte is it's like a dream company. So he decided, okay, let me stop here and join that company. And was there any restriction like only this many interviews we give, or was there any restriction as such?
No. There is no restriction from our side.
Tell me, how many calls you used to get per
Even
day? Interview calls? Yeah, please go ahead. Tell me.
if I have to attend all the, then it's unlimited. I don't know. I don't take account on this, but I receive only few calls per day, 6 to 7 calls, and then after schedule for tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and then only I go for the next calls. And but unlimited calls will come, and you will feel like you are getting irritated of this. But
Mhm. Sorry, you were saying something. I interrupted you. What you were able to say?
just wanted to say that unlimited calls will happen in a day, but you'll feel like that what is happening. This much of call is going. I don't want to attend all the calls, so I just attended 4 to 5 calls, 6 to 7 calls per day, and schedule the interviews tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And after that, I attended call back some HRs and schedule it for the next week or day after 2 days, 3 days. This is how I manage to give the interviews daily on the daily basis. I have
Nice.
to maintain all the timings and what timings is going on and what date is there. So
So
and
just
there
one
will
last question. Sorry to interrupt you. So just I have one last
yeah.
question. So because of this pandemic, we have not been opening our office. Many students been keep calling me like, sir, can you do the offline class? And in between, we opened the office, and then the lockdown happened. So again, we didn't open the office. So we had like 3-floor office in BTM. So now we are completely shut down the offline classes, and till this entire pandemic get over. But my question is, you've been attending the online one-to-one classes, which I used to take Monday to Friday, right? Have you ever felt my absence, like I'm not in front of you, you are not able to study well? You learned the entire thing online, intro also happened online. So could you add some thoughts on that?
No, it's if I am serious about that, sir has given me every help that I wanted. We have to write the marks the doubts that I every points that are arising in the class, and we can ask on that only, and after the class we can ask the sir that what is the doubt, and we can clear everyday doubts. It's if it is the everyday process. You if someone is skipping that, that will be a problem for him or her. Then there is nothing lacking from sir side,
Okay.
your side, sir.
So there is just one thing I want to add here. Actually, I never seen Avinash before. Even in the class also, we never used to switch on the video, so I never seen him. So this is the first time I am seeing him. How does he look like? Only the photo I have seen in his DP in Telegram or WhatsApp we were using. It's also quite strange, also, isn't it? I think probably you are seeing me also for the first time now, only for the
Yes,
video
I
review,
have
right?
seen your photo in the website, and
Okay.
but I'm not seen the in
So
live
you would have
premises
an
anywhere.
impression how I look, but I never had an impression how the student look. For me, all students are, I treat them the same. Fine. So I wish you all the best. God bless you. And it's
Thank
a
you, sir.
very quite a journey. We've been together from last 2 months, and
Yes.
again, it's not an send off. We'll still be, in touch together. All right. If you ever come across Bangalore side, please do come to my home. All right.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Okay. If I come to your native, I will also do the same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll
You are
have
always
a
welcome.
lunch or dinner together. Fine.
Yes.
Fine. Thanks for coming and giving your valuable feedback, Avinash. Take care. Good
Thank
luck, man. All the best. Bye bye.